Hi everybody and welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to talk about using a or an. Okay, we use a or an in front of nouns. Well, what is a noun? A noun is a person, place, thing, or animal. Okay, so let's look at the board. The first noun we have is banana. Banana starts with the consonant B. So we put a banana. A banana. Look at the next word, apple. In this case, the first letter is A. A is a vowel. Remember, the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So we have to put an apple. Cat. The first letter, C, is a consonant. So should we put a or an? Remember, if it's a consonant, we have to put a. A cat. The next word, boy. Again, the word starts with a consonant, B. So we have to say a boy. The next word, egg, has the letter E in front. E is a vowel. So what do we put? We put an. If we read it, it sounds like an egg. An egg. Okay, and the last word is ant. Ant starts with the vowel A. So again, we must put an ant. An ant. Now, let's go through these words together. A banana. A banana. An apple. An apple. Keep in mind that when you have an in front, it has to sound almost like one word. An apple. An apple. A cat. A cat. A boy. A boy. An egg. An egg. An egg. Again, it sounds like one word. An egg. An ant. An ant. An ant. Okay, let's move on to the next part. Okay, let's do some extra practice. I have some nouns on the board. Remember, a noun is a person, place, thing, or animal. So let's go through them one by one. A book is a thing. It's a thing that we read. Park is a place. It's a place we go. Umbrella is a thing, right? Umbrella is a thing that we use when it's raining. Elephant. Elephant is an animal. Doctor. Doctor is a person. And orange. Orange is a thing that we eat. Okay, now I'm going to say a or an in front of the nouns. I want you to listen and see if you can hear the difference. Okay, we have book. In that case, we say a book. A book. We have to say a book. Okay, the next one is park. We say a park. A park. Remember, we put a in front of words that begin with consonants. B and P are consonants. That's why we say a book. A park. Okay, how about the next word? An umbrella. An umbrella. Could you hear the difference? An umbrella. We say an because umbrella starts with a vowel U. An umbrella. Okay, elephant. What should we say? An elephant. An elephant. Again, elephant starts with a vowel. A doctor. A doctor. A doctor. And the last word, an orange. An orange. Again, we have to say an orange because O is a vowel. So let's go through each word one more time. A book. A book. Okay. A park. A park. An umbrella. An umbrella. Notice it sounds like one word. An umbrella. An elephant. An elephant. A doctor. A doctor. And the last one, an orange. An orange. Okay, so that's the end of this video. I hope you can remember when to use a and an. Okay, thank you. Bye.